The Bugatti Veyron stands as one of the most remarkable automotive achievements in modern history. Introduced in 2005 by the legendary French automaker Bugatti, the Veyron was a game-changer in the world of hypercars. Designed to push the boundaries of speed, performance, and luxury, the car quickly became a symbol of unparalleled engineering excellence. At its core, the Veyron aimed to deliver an extraordinary blend of raw power and refined craftsmanship, redefining what was possible in the automotive industry. The heart of the Bugatti Veyron is its W16 quad-turbocharged engine, an engineering marvel in itself. This 8.0-liter powerhouse produces a staggering 1,001 horsepower in its base model, enabling the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. With a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, the Veyron set numerous speed records upon its release. Later models, such as the Super Sport, pushed these limits even further, reaching a top speed of 267.8 miles per hour and earning the title of the world's fastest production car for a time. One of the Veyron's most notable achievements is its advanced aerodynamics. The car features an adaptive rear wing and an intricate cooling system to manage the immense heat generated by its engine. This focus on aerodynamics not only enhances performance but also ensures stability at high speeds. The seamless integration of technology and design allows the Veyron to maintain composure even at its upper limits, making it as functional as it is fast. Inside the Veyron, luxury takes center stage. The cabin is a showcase of meticulous craftsmanship, featuring premium materials like hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber. Every detail, from the ergonomic design of the seats to the intuitive layout of the controls, reflects Bugatti's commitment to providing a world-class driving experience. The combination of cutting-edge technology and traditional artisanal techniques creates an interior that is both functional and opulent. The Bugatti Veyron is more than just a car, it is a masterpiece of modern engineering. The development process took years of research and innovation, with contributions from some of the brightest minds in the automotive world. From its sophisticated drivetrain to its innovative cooling and braking systems, every aspect of the Veyron was designed with precision. The car represents a perfect fusion of art and science, setting new benchmarks for the industry. Beyond its technical prowess, the Veyron holds a significant cultural impact. It has been featured in countless media outlets, movies, and video games, cementing its status as a modern icon. For car enthusiasts, owning a Bugatti Veyron is a dream, a testament to its allure and prestige. Its exclusivity, with only 450 units produced, ensures that it remains one of the most sought-after vehicles in the world. The cost of the Bugatti Veyron, which initially exceeded $1 million, reflects its extraordinary nature. Maintenance and operation costs are equally significant, with specialized servicing and high-grade materials required to keep the car in optimal condition. However, for those who can afford it, the Veyron is more than just a mode of transportation, it is an investment in a piece of automotive history. In conclusion, the Bugatti Veyron is a car that transcends ordinary definitions of performance and luxury. It represents the pinnacle of what is achievable in the automotive world, a perfect synthesis of speed, innovation, and elegance. The Veyron's legacy continues to inspire and influence the design and development of hypercars, ensuring its place in history as one of the greatest vehicles ever made.